How to blur face in PicsArt. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how, you may follow up the steps. So go ahead and open up PicsArt. And once you open up PicsArt, you may go ahead and select the image that you want to blur. So for that, you may tap on the plus icon in the middle bottom that you may want to blur the face of. For example, this picture. So all you gotta do is, in the bottom you should be finding different editing tools. Go ahead and locate up the option called FX Effects. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding different effects that you may apply. So look for the option called Blur from the effects. This one right here. Tap on it. After tapping on it here, you'll be finding all of the blurs. You may use the blur that you prefer. For example, I am using a normal blur. This one right here. So all you gotta do is, in order to blur the face part only, tap on the eraser icon at the top. And once you tap on eraser, you should be finding face, cloth, etc. So if you want only face, tap on face. You will be finding the face being blurred. Otherwise, you may also use tools such as shape. So tap on shape option. After that, you may select the shape that you prefer. For example, square. So all you gotta do is select square and you may invert the blur. After the face is blurred, you may just go ahead and tap on right at the top. Like this. And once this changes is saved, you may save the photo into your gallery. So that is how you blur face in PicsArt using PicsArt. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.